Hey, I'm Chef Aaron Fish, and this is Fish Food, where we make tasty, approachable snacks. And today, we're making smash burgers with Bada Bing pickles, Purple Haze secret sauce, and Black Tuxedo caramelized onions. Step one, we're gonna start caramelizing these onions. I'm gonna do that in my 10-inch made-in saute pan. All right, I got my pan on medium-high heat. I got a whole onion julienne. That means sliced real thin into kind of half moon shapes. And I know you're thinking, whole onion, oh my gosh, that's too much. But when you caramelize this, it's gonna cut it down by at least a quarter. So I'm gonna put some oil in there. We're gonna dump the onions in there. We're gonna let that cook over medium heat, stirring for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna turn down low and let them caramelize. Step two, we're gonna make the pickles. All right, so I've got some cucumbers from Dirty Hoe Gardens, and we're gonna go ahead and slice these thin. I like to use a mandolin. It keeps it just about the right thickness. So what you wanna do is just be real careful, don't take your finger off, and make some nice cucumber coins. Cucumbers are all sliced. I'm gonna go ahead and add julienned white onion and some slivered garlic. And we're gonna make our brine. So I'm taking my made-in pot. We're gonna put some apple cider vinegar. I prefer the unfiltered kind. No real reason, just do. We're gonna use some Bada Bing. We're gonna put that on the stove. All right, we've got our onions caramelizing and our pickle brine coming to a simmer. We're gonna go ahead and make our burger patties. All right, so I've got 2 pre-cut pieces of parchment paper here. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nice ball. You wanna do about a 1/4 pound. We're making them like nice old-fashioned American smash burgers. If you don't know what a 1/4 pound is, get yourself a digital scale. They have them all over on Amazon, cheap, 20 bucks, maybe even less. All right, so smash them a little bit. You can see I did that a little bit. We're gonna put another piece of parchment on top of each one. And then I like to use something kind of like this. You can use a plate or like we did with the tortillas, you can use one of the glass plexi whatevers. So we're just gonna go ahead and smash it nice and thin. That's about how thin we wanna go, look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and leave the parchment on there. It helps it easy to pick up and handle without getting our hands all dirty. All right, I'm gonna smash the rest of this and we'll get back to the pickles. All right, you can see our onions are starting to get caramelized here, a little brown. There's some fond on the bottom of the pan. That means the stuff that burns. We're gonna give them a little bit of stir, turn the heat down to a medium-low, and let them keep cooking. You can also see here that our pickle brine's ready. Everything's dissolved, and we're just gonna go ahead and pour it over the pickles. All right, next step, we're gonna make the secret sauce. And I'm gonna teach you how to make the not so secret sauce. So the trick is it's got basically 3 parts mayo, 2 parts ketchup, and 1 part mustard. Okay, and we're gonna up it up a little bit, a little Purple Haze. And take our whisk, mix it up. Secret sauce. All right, so the onions are getting nice and caramelized. You can see they shrunk way down. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna push them off to the side and crank up the heat a little bit. We're gonna pour some water in there. It's gonna help release the fond. And we're gonna add our Black Tuxedo to the water. And what that's gonna do is gonna help, you can't smell it through the camera, but I can smell it right now. It's gonna help bloom the spice and release all the fond on the bottom, so it kind of activates all the flavors. It smells good. And then just bring the onions into it. And we're gonna let this finish cook until the water's evaporated. All right, so we've got all of our toppings ready. We've got our Bada Bing pickles, our Black Tuxedo caramelized onions, our Purple Haze secret sauce, some shredded lettuce, some cheese, and some delicious buns. We're gonna go ahead and throw these on the grill, get them cooked, and let's eat them. All right, I have a cast iron griddle here. I've got over 2 burners running medium heat. I just temped it. It's about 400 degrees. That's about where you want it for your burgers. So I'm gonna put a dot of oil And 3 little spots there. We're gonna throw our patties down. See how easy that comes off? This is how they do it in the restaurant. Make your burgers so fast and so good. Okay, and hit a little salt on top. Always season high so you can cover everything. Okay. Let's put our burger together. So I've got our toasted delicious buns. I did a butter toast on the grill. I'm gonna put a little bit of secret sauce on both sides. If you're not into the secret sauce, you can just do mustard or just mayo. Keep it plain. You know, keep it about you. Put these pickles on. Give them a little shake. You don't want too much of that juice on there. And the onions are really for flavor, so you don't have to put the onions on here too, out of here, because we already got the grilled onions. So we want to kind of keep it, you know, the way it is. Some shredded lettuce. Burger patty. Let's put another burger patty. 2 burger patties. Some of those caramelized onions. Put our top on. Boom. All right, it's time to try this. So, I'm just gonna give it a pick up. Oh man, look at this thing. I'm going all in. I have to unhinge my jaw on this one. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, you've got classic smashed cheeseburger flavors, the secret sauce, the patties, the cheese, the creaminess, the bun is great. The pickles, they have a little heat. The onions have that earthy flavor from the purple haze. Man, that is delicious fish food, and I am super jealous that you are not here.